Yes. Sorry guys, Jacob, my little one wants to show you how to make the jello. What is that? Strawberry jello. First, we need a 1 cup of
water.
Let mommy's put it this for you because it's really hot, okay?
I can hold it.
Are you sure? It's really hot. Be careful. Be careful, little boy. Are you okay? Put inside all the way. Very good. Did you see, guys, how big boy he is? Yes. Do you like the steam?
Yeah.
Now you have to open your jello.
Open.
Open it. After we put the 1 cup of hot water, we're gonna add the 1 pack of strawberry powder jello. Okay? We have to cut it first. Now pour it. Now we have to pour it on the, what is that? Hot water. Very good. Now we have to whisk well. Whisk. Yes. Whisk well. Very good. Keep going. We have to whisk well until melt the powder. Can you whisk again? Oh no! You get hurt?
Yeah, it hurts me.
Yeah. Now, after we whisk the powder on the hot water, we're gonna add the
Cold water.
cold water.
Yeah.
3/4 cup. Say 3/4 cup.
3 cold cups.
3/4. Yay! Pour it. Whisk again. Whisk. Whisk. Be careful this time. Can you hold the handle? Hold this so it won't pour anymore. Yay! Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Are you happy to show them that you know how to make jello, the instant jello? Do you like jello?
Yeah.
Very good. Is that your favorite strawberry?
Yeah. That's a walk.
Yeah.
Fill it up.
That's okay. Then whisk well. Harder. Good job. That's my baby. Yeah, it's look like a liquidy, but after 3 hours or 2 hours, it's turned to salad. It's getting hard. Now after we whisk well, we're gonna pour on the container. Do you want mommy's do it or you can do it? Okay, let's see. Be careful, slow down. Good job. I will say stop. Keep going. Oh, slow down. Oh, you see, you don't slow down. I told you. You have to be slow down.
Can we step one?
Yeah. Here. This is our baby chef. Are you baby chef? Are you mommy baby chef?
Yeah.
Very good. Are you gonna teach them more about cooking? Are you gonna teach them how to cook egg?
Someone spilled.
Can you put more? Add more. Are you gonna teach them how to cook egg?
There you go.
Don't do it. Only the one more. Okay, very good. Jacob, are you gonna teach them how to cook egg next time? Very good. Put more. I will say stop, okay? If you have to. That's okay. Your hand's still a hand. Keep going. Not yet. Keep going. More. Stop. That's it. Good job.
There's still more.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you like it doing that?
Yeah. Don't dump it out.
Yes. No. Put here more. You're not gonna dump it. Keep going. Stop. Good job.
Oh, this one needs more.
Yes, very good. That one's need more. Very good. Oh, That's too fast. Put more. That one need more. Good job. Put more, please. Okay, this one it's good one. That's a good one. Put more, baby boy. Put more. Put more. Very good. The other one. Very good. Put more. Good job. Ah, that's a lot. Uh-oh, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna get more can, okay? A container. Say thank you everyone for watching. For watching me. I'm your little chef. Love you all. Say love you all. So guys, our jello from last night after overnight on the fridge. Let's see what the judges think about that. She has a lime. Did you see guys how to jiggling
Yep.
the lime jello? What you get, Jacob? He gets strawberry. How about you, CJ? What you get?
Orange.
Orange. Did you see that, guys? The wiggle. Wow. Did you see how that looks so yummy? How is it, Jacob? You like it? Do you want to tell something about your jello?
Tastes good. Tastes good.
Really?
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from Best Friend Foods.